Hey guys, and happy Monday. So for today's DIY, we're going to be using a few items from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use this little tree decor piece, some nautical rope, and these lights. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut off the tinsel or whatever this stuff is, garland, and I'm going to take that all off of there, and I'll save it. I may use it, I may not. Um, but I'm going to take all of this off, and then I'm going to take the rope, and you can use jute twine, you can use anything really that you want. If you want to use different type of tinsel, if you want to use ribbon, I mean anything you want. Now this is a nautical rope, and I usually take my nautical rope and un unbraid it or untie it or whatever you want to call it, so that I have three different strands. So that's what I use. And then I'm just going to take it and my hot glue one little piece of it to the tree form, and then I'm just going to start wrapping it around. And this tree form is pretty awesome because it has these little teeth on it, so the rope kind of gets caught in there, so you don't really have to hot glue a whole lot of it on there, just the pieces that are a little bit wider. That's the only place that I put hot glue. Other than that, the little teeth held the rope on there perfectly, so I didn't have to do a whole lot of gluing. So for today's video, it is a challenge that is hosted by MomDas, and the co-host is Creations by Favi, and it is the Useful DIY challenge. And this month is holiday themed, so Christmas, or at least for me, it's going to be Christmas. And basically, you just make a piece that you either want to just have in your decor or that you find useful in your home, and you do it as cheap as possible. So basically, this piece cost me about $3, a little bit less because I didn't use all of the rope. And yeah, I'm using it because, and I made it because I'm kind of going for this whole rustic Christmas theme this year, and I don't have a whole lot of rustic decor. And I will link MomDas and Creations by Favi's channels in my description box along with the playlist. So be sure to check them out. They are amazing. They have such great stuff. I mean, their content is amazing. So I will make sure to link all of that in my description box along with the playlist. And if you're coming over here from the playlist, welcome. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're returning, thank you again for coming back and sticking around with me. You know I appreciate you. And guys, this was such an easy DIY. So, I mean, that's it. I just wrapped it around all the way to the top, and then I hot glued the end of the rope to the top of the tree form here. And that was it. And then I just added, as far as that part is concerned. And they have different tree forms at Dollar Tree that you can use. I think they had like a truck and ornaments and all kinds of different they're not really tree forms, they're decor pieces, but you can tell that they have this plastic form on the bottom, which means you can change it up and use whatever you want on there. And I thought this one was cute, and I thought I could do a whole lot with it, so that's why I got this one. And I wish I would have gotten more, because now that I see how cute this is, I want some more. Hopefully I can find a couple more. And so I just took these lights that I also got at the Dollar Tree, and I stuck them on the inside and kind of stuck them through the rope so that they stick out just a little bit. And I have this little wood star that came in this huge pack that I got from Dollar Tree, and I just glued that onto the top. Now guys, I've got a couple other rustic pieces that I've done so far. I'll go ahead and link those also. But guys, that is it. This came out so cute, and it's super simple. So yeah, comment down below. Let me know if you like it, or if it's something that you're going to be trying, or what your theme is for this holiday. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, be blessed and be the reason someone smiles. Bye, guys.